Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to generate email newsletters for small businesses using ChatGPT. Let's get right into it. Email newsletters are a powerful way to keep your audience engaged and informed about your projects, services, and updates. When using ChatGPT, start by specifying your business type, target audience, and the key message you want to deliver. For example, you might say, generate a monthly email newsletter for a local bakery featuring new products, promotions, and baking tips. ChatGPT will create engaging and well-structured newsletters that include catchy subject lines, clear content sections, and strong call to actions. You can customize these drafts by adding your own branding, images, and links to make them more personal and effective. Sending regular newsletters helps build customers' loyalty, drive sales, and keeps your brand top of mind. Plus, using ChatGPT saves you time and effort while maintaining a professional tone. And that's it, guys. Now you've learned how to create effective email newsletters for small businesses quickly and professionally with ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.